10 reasons to love the new all-electric Subaru Solterra. Number 10. Faster to charge. Boost your battery from 10% to 80% in about half the time with improved DC fast charging capability. And with improved cold weather charging, it's easier to get going thanks to faster charging speeds in frigid temperatures. Number 9. Easy to charge. With both AC and DC connectivity, you can charge at home or at any of the 148,000 public charge ports and counting. Number 8. More driver assistance. Subaru's most advanced vehicle to date now has more EyeSight driver assist technologies than ever, from the new front cross traffic alert to low-speed hands-free driving that can automatically change lanes, brake, and resume acceleration. There's never been a smoother, safer, stress-free drive in a Subaru. Number 7. Award-winning Subaru safety. The 2024 Solterra was named an IIHS Top Safety Pick and a National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration 5-star overall vehicle score winner. Number 6. Inviting interior. Spacious and spectacular, with ample legroom throughout, this modern and stylish interior proves you don't have to venture into the woods to enjoy a world-class cabin. Number 5. Legendary Subaru Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive. Exploration is always in bounds thanks to the only EV in its class with standard all-wheel drive. Number 4. Ready for adventure. Enjoy the wild, but stay in control with dual-function X mode to maximize traction and a class-leading 8.3 inches of ground clearance for easy maneuverability on and off the beaten path. Number 3. Built to last. 96% of all Subaru vehicles sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today, and the Solterra is the latest line in a long legacy of trusted durability. Number 2. Protecting our parks. Subaru is the largest corporate donor of the National Park Foundation and has provided over $72 million to organizations helping to protect America's more than 400 national parks. And the number 1 reason to love the new all-electric Solterra: drivers love it. Highly rated and highly recommended, this EV SUV is trusted from coast to coast and has no shortage of fans. Love. It's what makes Subaru Subaru, and the Solterra the versatile all-electric SUV you've been waiting for. Discover your own reasons to love the Solterra at a Subaru retailer near you.